I had a great time in prison, I have to tell you. I had one of my cellies was Jordan Belfort, you know, the Wolf of Wall Street.
I was going to ask you about that.
Yeah.
Do you guys still keep in contact?
Oh yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. When I helped him, Jordan, I helped him write his book. Well, what I did, I was writing my book, and so he'd come in from playing tennis. That was one of the perks in jail, and he would say, "What are you doing?" I said, "I'm writing my book." And he goes, "Oh, I'm going to write a book." And so he started writing. And the thing is, he's, you know, he's a genius, but like a lot of geniuses that go bad, they tend to steal other people's material. You know? And so Jordan, even his writing, he had to kind of steal Tom Wolfe.
Wow.
And so I had to tell him that he wanted to critique. He said, "What do you think?" And I told him, "You just did Tom Wolfe, you know, you really haven't written anything." And I told him, then he said, "What should I write?" And so then I give him the advice that he listened to, and it turned out to be a bestseller.
Wow.
And the advice was write the most of. Like if it's going to be a mountain, it can't be a hill. It has to be the biggest mountain in the world, you know. And that's what he did, and it became a big hit, a movie and all that stuff.